Hi, I'm Miss Pozek, and today I'll be reading this book, So You Want to Be a Rock Star, written by Vernick and illustrated by Kirstie Edmunds. So let's get started. So you want to be a rock star. You want to be a rock star? Well, let's see if you've got what it takes. Do you have an awesome sound system with cordless microphone? Oh. Well, can you make your hand into a fist and sing into that? Try it. Terrific. Okay, do you have a really cool electric guitar? Okay, well that's okay. Can you hold your left hand to the side and strum your stomach with your right hand? Here, give it a try. Okay, let's see. I think it works. Terrific. You rock. Okay, now this is very important. While you're strumming your stomach, can you also close your eyes and make the kind of faces like whenever your stomach really hurts? And then move your head slowly from side to side. Here, try it now. Okay, you ready? Got one hand, got my guitar. I think it's working. Check it out. You are so good at this. Oh, wait. Are you a great singer? Okay, well, when you open your mouth and try to sing, does a song come out? Your voice doesn't need to be perfect, just really loud. I think Luke wants to be a rock star too. Do you know what a sneer is? It's like a really tough guy smile. Can you sneer? Look in the mirror. You might be the next big thing. All right, now we're getting to advanced techniques. Can you act like a rock star in one spot and then run across the stage and act like a rock star in that spot? Okay, maybe even stand next to another person who's acting like a rock star too. Here, get someone to try it with you. How hot are you? One thing that rock stars like to do is yell to the audience. Shout the name of your town and then say, "Are you ready to rock?" Ready? Kansas City, are you ready to rock? Imagine the crowd roaring right back at you. Fun, right? Okay, well, rock stars need to stand out from the crowd. Do you have any crazy awesome clothes? Can you borrow some? Do you have crazy awesome hair? Could you borrow some? You need to make some decisions about your concerts and your music videos. Are you the kind of rock star who has dancers on stage? If you are, hire some. Or teach everyone in your family how to dance. Start now. Baby cat, please stop. Do you have a website and a huge fan club? How about a limousine? No? Well, that's okay. Do you have a driver? Wow, who's cooler than you? You may end up with your own TV show. You should probably start thinking about your theme song. One snappy idea is to sing your first and last name 4 times, starting quietly and then getting louder each time. Let's hear it. Mara Pozek, Mara Pozek, Miss Pozek. I think it's working. Make sure that your theme song rocks, because if there's a You movie, you'll be hearing it a lot. And if amusement parks add You rides, well, wow. Of course, whenever you leave home, you will be mobbed by fans. Come up with a fast way to sign your name because all of those fans will want your autograph. Try it. How fast can you write your name? What? Oh, well, I'm sure that you'll master cursive soon. And then you'll be the biggest rock star ever. Until then, a fancy squiggle might just be the thing. So I hope that you enjoyed this book. I think it is so much fun. Now go pretend that you're a rock star. Sing loud, make lots of amazing guitar sounds, and just have fun.